Welcome to the video. I'm gonna keep this nice and short and sweet and to the point. You guys obviously came here if you want to know how to get Adobe software for 3 or 2 months for free. Now, just like a disclaimer before I continue into the method on how to do this, there's been other YouTubers that made videos about this, but I truly feel that there need to be more videos about it because I don't really see that many people talking about it. And when I found out, bro, I was fucking hyped. And to clear up any confusions, you have to be an existing member. So that means you either have to have paid a yearly subscription or a monthly subscription to be able to get the 60 or 90 days for free. Now let's get on into how to do it. Once you're on the browser of your choice, type in Adobe and go to their website. After you're on their website, make sure to sign into your Adobe account. Once you're signed in, click Overview and go to Contact Adobe. There should be a box on the bottom right of your screen. You're going to be talking to a bot at first, so you just tell them you need help with payment and that you need to solve a billing or payment issue. They then connect you to an agent, and then you tell them you need a 3-month free subscription for the Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Now, as you can see here, the agent that was assigned to me was clearly not educated on what Adobe's doing because she was telling me that they don't do it. So I had to become a little bit of a Karen. She was trying to tell me that it doesn't work for annual subscriptions, even though I talked to another Adobe agent and they clearly told me that it works for monthly and annual memberships. In the end, my inner Karen was enough to get the girl to give me 60-day free credit. If you have a student account, you only get 60-day free credit. But if you have an individual account in which you pay the full price for all the software, you get 90 days for free. This is a screenshot I took from an email that proves that she credited my account with 60 days free service. Now that you guys know how to do it, hopefully it helped you guys and got you guys either 60 or 90 days free payment. Yeah, this is a little thing that Adobe is doing, obviously due to the COVID-19 pandemic. You know, funds are tight for some people, and I really respect the decision that they've chosen to make. Adobe software is really expensive, and any discount or any free months that you can get, I highly encourage you to go for it. God fucking damn, bro, I gotta brush my beard. This shit looks so fucking crazy. But enough about my shitty ass beard. Hopefully that video helped you guys. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below any other videos you want me to make. And that's pretty much been it. See you guys in the next video.